Hey, what's up? How are you? Now, when it comes to investing, everyone wants to know where the hidden gems are. Everyone's trying to find that next hot market before it explodes. Well, today, we're talking about two countries with some serious potential, Nigeria and South Africa. These aren't just two random countries in Africa, okay? We're talking about economic powerhouses, major players on the continent. They've both got their own strengths and weaknesses. So the question is, which one comes out on top when it comes to investing your hard-earned money? That's what we're diving deep into today, guys. Make sure you stick around until the end of this video because I'm breaking down everything you need to know to make a smart investment decision. Please subscribe and click the like button. Let's start with why Nigeria shines as an investment destination. Here are a few key reasons. First off, Nigeria has a massive population. We're talking about over 250 million people, which makes it the most populous country in Africa. Now, why is that a big deal for investors? A large population translates to a huge consumer market. I mean, think about it. More people means more demand for goods and services, which means more opportunities for businesses to make money. Second, Nigeria's economy is surprisingly diverse. It's not just about oil anymore, although oil and gas still play a significant role. We've got telecommunications booming, agriculture expanding, and a growing tech sector that's attracting international attention. This diversification spreads risk and creates multiple avenues for investment. Third, Nigeria has a young and increasingly tech-savvy population. This is huge, guys. This demographic is driving innovation, particularly in the fintech and e-commerce sectors. When you have a young population that's comfortable with technology, you're looking at a potential hotbed for tech startups and digital businesses. Fourth, the Nigerian government is making efforts to improve the business environment by streamlining regulations and attracting foreign direct investment. They know that to keep the economy growing, they need to make it easier for businesses to operate and for investors to feel confident putting their money in. Fifth, let's talk about valuations. Compared to other emerging markets, Nigerian assets are relatively cheap right now. This presents a great opportunity for investors to buy low in anticipation of future growth. Sixth, there's a growing middle class in Nigeria. As incomes rise, so does consumer spending. This means more opportunities for businesses targeting this demographic. Seventh, Nigeria has a strategic location. It's situated in West Africa with access to key shipping routes, making it a gateway to the rest of the continent. Eighth, the Nigerian Stock Exchange offers investors access to a variety of listed companies across different sectors. Ninth, there's a strong entrepreneurial spirit in Nigeria. People are hungry to start businesses and create wealth. 10th, and this is a big one, the potential returns on investment in Nigeria are very attractive. While there are risks, as with any investment, the potential upside is significant for those willing to take a calculated risk. But let's not ignore the challenges because every opportunity comes with its hurdles. First and foremost, let's address the elephant in the room: corruption. Nigeria has a reputation for corruption which can deter some investors. It's important to do your due diligence and understand the risks involved. Second, the political environment can be unpredictable. There have been periods of instability and policy changes that have impacted businesses. It's crucial to stay informed about political developments. Third, infrastructure is a challenge in Nigeria. Power outages, inadequate transportation networks, and bureaucratic bottlenecks can make it difficult for businesses to operate efficiently. Fourth, access to financing can be a major hurdle for businesses in Nigeria. Interest rates are high, and getting loans can be a challenge, especially for small and medium-sized enterprises. Fifth, there's a shortage of skilled labor in certain sectors. This can make it difficult for businesses to find qualified employees. Sixth, inflation and currency fluctuations are factors to consider. The Nigerian naira has experienced volatility in the past, which can impact returns for foreign investors. Seventh, security concerns are a reality in certain parts of Nigeria. It's important to be aware of the security situation and take necessary precautions. Eighth, the legal system can be complex and slow-moving. Enforcing contracts and resolving disputes can be time-consuming. Ninth, there's a lack of transparency in some areas of the economy. This can make it difficult for investors to get accurate information and assess risk. 10th, competition from both local and international businesses is fierce. You need a solid business plan and a competitive edge to succeed in the Nigerian market. Chapter 3. Now let's look at South Africa, which many consider a more stable option. South Africa boasts a more developed economy and a more established legal system compared to Nigeria. This makes it attractive to investors who prioritize stability and transparency. Second, South Africa has a well-developed financial market with a sophisticated stock exchange. This provides investors with a range of investment options and greater liquidity. Third, South Africa has a strong tourism industry attracting millions of visitors each year. This sector offers investment opportunities in hospitality, travel, and related businesses. Fourth, South Africa has a well-developed infrastructure compared to many other African countries. This includes a good road network, modern airports, and reliable electricity supply. Fifth, South Africa has a skilled workforce, particularly in sectors like finance, technology, and mining. Sixth, South Africa has a stable political environment with a democratic government that has been in place for several decades. Seventh, English is widely spoken in South Africa, making it easier for foreign investors to navigate the business world. Eighth, South Africa has a strong legal framework that protects property rights and enforces contracts. Ninth, South Africa has a transparent regulatory environment, making it easier for businesses to understand and comply with regulations. 10th, South Africa has a high standard of living compared to many other African countries, with access to quality healthcare, education, and other amenities. Chapter 4. So, which is better for investment? It depends on your goals. If you're an investor with a higher risk tolerance and a long-term perspective, Nigeria's potential for explosive growth is hard to ignore. The key here is to focus on sectors with strong fundamentals and to partner with local experts who understand the market. On the other hand, if you prioritize stability, transparency, and a more established market, South Africa might be a better fit. You'll find a more predictable business environment and a wider range of investment options. Ultimately, the best investment decision depends on your individual financial goals, risk appetite, and investment timeline. Diversifying your portfolio by investing in both countries could be a smart strategy to mitigate risk and potentially maximize returns. Now, here's the thing about investing in emerging markets. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. These markets can be volatile, and there are always risks involved. That's why it's crucial to do your research, understand the market dynamics, and consult with a financial advisor to make informed investment decisions. Don't just jump in blindly because you heard something was the next big thing. Take your time, learn everything you can about the market, and invest strategically. Remember, real estate is a long game, and the more knowledge you have, the better equipped you'll be to make smart decisions that generate long-term wealth. Now, I want to hear from you guys. Which country do you think offers better investment opportunities, Nigeria or South Africa? Let me know in the comments below. And while you're down there, hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe to the channel for more videos on real estate investing, personal finance, and entrepreneurship. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Investing in Africa is an exciting journey, and both Nigeria and South Africa have unique opportunities. Which country would you choose to invest in? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more insights into global investments. See you next time!